I'm gonna work on a Craftsman blower on replacing the spark plug. Location is here. In order to take it out, I have to take this plastic cover and take 3 Allen screws. 1, 2, 3, and that is 5/32. Hard to see here. 5/32 Allen wrench or 4mm. I'm gonna use this one with the handle because I can reach them all easier. By saying easier, I mean with that you need a longer Allen wrench to be able to reach here, and this longer Allen wrench is perfect for it. Once I have all screws out, I need to just pull this cover off. Like this, and then take the ignition coil off. And besides this Allen wrench, only tool that we need to use is adjustable wrench. I don't know what is the size of this, but adjustable wrench will work. And it's easy to take it out. And doesn't look that bad, but it started to give me some hard times to start it, so I decided to replace it, and it is Champion RCJ6Y, and I found exact replacement at O'Reilly RCJ6Y or O'Reilly number 852-1 if you decide to look up. I researched online and found out that Home Depot had it. That was first that I was thinking about, but then the price was 50% lower than Home Depot, and I'm glad I found this. So I recommend do your research and then find your best option. Depends on where do you live. It is pre-gapped, no adjustments needed. All we need to do is put it back in, tight all the way, hand tight, and then use the wrench to tighten a little bit more, but not too much. Put the ignition cover on and put the plastic cover on itself. It requires some finagling, but it is not hard. And put all 3 screws back on. Be careful with the bottom screw not to lose it inside. Not a big deal, but just be careful. Now all is left is to test it. Put it on start, prime it 6 times. I had to start it without recording because it's not easy record it and start it, but it took me a couple of times. You saw that I needed to prime and prime 6 times, and I put it on the start, and it is better than it was before because I had some issues with starting. And I believe that spark plug was due to change. Next thing will be air filter, but I'll do that separate. I hope this helps somebody to see how easy it is to replace it and do it yourself. Please comment, subscribe, like, ask questions. Thank you for watching.